Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of scrap with decor ideas that profitable for today's market and to create stylish home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The true beauty of woodcraft is not only found in the polished shine of a finished product or the intricate design of a complex piece, but in the very process itself, a process that turns simplicity into success, blending artistry with sustainability in ways that resonate powerfully in today's world. And nowhere is this more evident than in the art of creating no-measure scrap, woodcrafts that transform what others see as leftovers into profitable projects perfectly suited for today's market. At its core, woodworking is not about complexity or precise measurements, but about vision, patience, and the ability to see potential where most people see nothing more than discarded scraps. In this sense, scrapwood becomes the raw material not of limitation but of possibility, a canvas for the imagination where imperfections are not obstacles but opportunities. And the absence of strict measuring rules liberates the maker to embrace creativity with freedom. When you take a piece of scrap wood uneven, rough, mismatched, and begin to work with it, sanding here, cutting there, attaching it to another piece that by chance fits beautifully, you are entering into a conversation with nature. A dialogue where your role is not to impose perfection, but to discover harmony, to reveal the hidden beauty in what would otherwise be wasted. Each knot, each crack, each grain carries a story, and when these fragments are pieced together without rigid measurement, they create objects that are not just functional or decorative, but profoundly unique. Objects that speak of authenticity and craftsmanship in a way mass-produced items never can. This blend of artistry and sustainability lies at the heart of why such crafts are not only personally fulfilling, but also commercially valuable, for in today's marketplace, buyers are increasingly drawn to items that reflect environmental consciousness, individuality, and handmade charm. When you present a no-measure scrap wood creation, a rustic shelf, a quirky lamp, an abstract wall art piece, you are not simply offering an object, you are offering a story. The story of reclaimed beauty, of sustainability in action, of creativity triumphing over waste. And that story is what resonates with customers, inspiring them to pay not just for the physical item, but for the values it represents. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The success of such projects comes not from elaborate plans or expensive tools, but from simplicity itself, the willingness to let the process guide you, to allow the wood to suggest its form, and to celebrate the unexpected outcomes that arise when you release control and embrace flow. What at first may seem like a small, humble craft project can grow into a profitable venture because the market craves authenticity, craves the natural textures and irregular lines of handmade work, craves decor that feels alive and meaningful. The profitability of no-measure scrap woodcrafts lies not in producing identical pieces by the dozens, but in producing one-of-a-kind creations that cannot be replicated, creations that give buyers the satisfaction of owning something truly special, infused with both artistry and sustainability. The beauty of this path is that it welcomes beginners as warmly as it challenges experienced makers, because the absence of rigid measurement removes the pressure of perfection, opening the door for experimentation, play, and discovery. And in doing so, it transforms woodworking into an accessible journey for anyone with curiosity and imagination. The success that comes from these projects is not accidental. It is the natural outcome of a process that values creativity over conformity, authenticity over mass production, and sustainability over waste. Each scrap becomes part of something larger. Each piece contributes to a greater whole, and as the craftsperson steps back to see their work come together, they realize that what was once considered waste has now become wealth. Not only financial wealth, but also the wealth of inspiration, confidence, and fulfillment. Today's market, driven by consumers seeking eco-conscious products and unique home decor, provides fertile ground for these creations. Ensuring that the craftsperson who embraces no-measure scrap wood projects finds not only personal satisfaction, but also eager buyers ready to invest in their work. The artistry is evident in the design, the sustainability is evident in the materials, and the success is evident in the market demand. And together these elements form a cycle that continues to grow stronger with each new creation. The beauty of woodcraft, then, is not in following strict patterns, but in letting the natural qualities of wood guide the outcome, in trusting the process to transform simplicity into success, and in recognizing that even the smallest, most disregarded pieces of timber hold the potential to become meaningful and profitable when shaped with care and vision. As you run your hands over the finished surface of a project that began with nothing more than scraps, you understand that every cut, every sanding stroke, every decision to leave a mark or smooth it away was part of a larger process. A process that not only created an object of beauty, but also taught you the value of patience, creativity, and sustainability. It is in this process that the true beauty of woodcraft reveals itself, reminding us that art and success are not separate pursuits, but can coexist in perfect balance when guided by purpose and respect for the material. The journey from scrap to art, from leftover to profitable project, is ultimately a journey of transformation of wood, of creativity, of values. And in that transformation lies the reason why the simplest of projects can yield the most profound results. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked scrap wood decor ideas that profitable for today's market and to create stylish home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.